Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper. I started this channel to have some fun with my son, who's my trusty cameraman. But we just do some simple recipes, some advanced recipes, but it's all about cooking. It's a passion of mine. I've loved it my whole life. We promise plenty more videos to come at you. But I want to thank you all for being here. And like and subscribe, and I will be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and this is the video I promised you I'd redo last week because we had that video glitch. For time's sake, I went ahead and I hollowed out some of the jalapenos. We got some cream cheese, cheddar cheese, sausage, bacon, cilantro, lime, sriracha powder, garlic. We have some paprika and pepper. I will go ahead and I'll show you how to do this last pepper. It's not that difficult. You just slice it open. And if you know an easier way to do this, you're more welcome to do that. I have the pieces sitting here because we're going to go ahead and add them into the mix. That way we don't waste much of the pepper. Go ahead and just sort of break the top back a little bit. We're going to go ahead and get this hollowed out real quick. I just wanted to show you how it was done. It's not that difficult. It can be quite messy though. Alright, got it hollowed out, good to go. Alright, now we're going to go ahead, got the softened cream cheese here, 8 ounces. We're going to go ahead and throw in the sriracha powder, cilantro lime, the garlic powder. Now this is the stuffing for the peppers. There's a paprika and the pepper in there. All right, and we're going to go ahead and throw in about 2 cups of cheddar cheese. All right, now that we got the everything into the mix there, we're going to go ahead and get this mixed together. This could be a little tedious. You sort of chop it up. All right, get it all chopped up and start mixing it all together here. All right. This is the filling that we're going to put into the jalapeno. And you do want to soften your cream cheese. Otherwise, you're not going to get it to mix together. This is probably the least fun part of this. Just going to go ahead and get it all mixed together real good. I'd like to thank my little buddy for working the camera again for me. I know he probably gets aggravated with Dad, but it's all good. Who knows? Maybe one day he'll be as famous as Emerald Lagasse or something. You never know. All right. All right. We got our stuffing all mixed together. All right. Too bad you didn't have smell-o-vision because this stuff smells good. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. I'll be right back with you. All right, had to wash my hands. Couldn't resist. The filling's really good. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to dice up these little pieces of jalapeno peppers. This is what was taken out of the pepper, so we can clean them out. We're going to put that right into the filling. A little small with it. Now we're going to just get this mixed in real quick, and then we'll start stuffing our peppers. again, folks. I do apologize for the glitch we had last week. Hopefully, we don't have another one. Gets a little pricey to keep redoing recipes. Alright. Now we got that all mixed together, we're going to go ahead and stuff the peppers. This tends to be a little messy. There's probably an easier way to do this, but it's the only way I know. These are armadillo eggs. That's what they're called. You like to leave the stem on, that way you got something to grab onto. Of course, I always cut mine up with a knife after they come out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish stuffing all these. And then we're going to go ahead, we're going to wrap them with the sausage. And then the bacon. And then we'll get them in the oven. Alright. I'd like to thank you for being with me again. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm back at you. I went ahead and did a few of these for video's sake, you know, time consuming. But on these, you put the sausage right around there. I always start with it over top of the slice. That way I know it seals it in there. There is enough grease in this sausage that it's going to stick to the pepper. Like so. And then just take the bacon, and you sort of got to stretch the bacon to get it to go around. Alright. We got the bacon stretched, wrapped around the pepper, and onto the tray. Now I just got a couple more to do with y'all. Then I'll go ahead and get my hands cleaned up. We'll get these in the oven. And you know from the video last week, y'all know how they turn out, but we'll go ahead and get that on there this week as well for you. Again, you know, I want to thank you for being here with Cooking with the Reaper. Just something new. I'm trying to make a go at it here for you folks. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. You guys got any ideas for recipes, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do them for you. Alright. These are known as, again, armadillo eggs. Alright. And I mentioned, you know, we are going to have some merchandise. I've been doing some pricing. Everyone's talking, oh, Teespring. Folks, Teespring might be good, but their prices aren't very good on them shirts. I don't want to make a killing off you guys over merchandise. I want to make sure you got a good value for a decent price. Teespring's almost $12.87 a shirt. That's not in the economical range for you folks. So I'm looking around. I found another place. It's right around $7.50 a shirt. So I'm working a deal with them. That way I can get this merchandise to y'all. If you want it. It will be available probably within the next month or so. Alright. So we went ahead, got these all wrapped. These do work really well in a smoker. However, I'm just gonna throw them right in the oven for you. I've already heated the oven to 400. These are gonna have to cook for roughly 35 minutes. All right, and I'll be right back with you as soon as they're done. Hey folks, back at you. Just got these out of the oven. Let them sit for a couple minutes. We're gonna go ahead and put this on the plate. This is an armadillo egg. This in the bag. This is jalapeno ranch sauce. We're just gonna drizzle over top of this pepper. Well, and I didn't really have a lot in there, but this is a really good addition to the pepper. Now we'll go ahead and slice this open for you so you folks can see what the inside looks like. And there it is, folks. One armadillo egg. Top it off with a nice little glass of beer from my friends at Hopsy. I'd like to thank you again for being here with Cooking with the Reaper. You folks have a nice evening. I'll see you next time.